If your Rheem Tankless water heater displays error code P1, it usually means the unit is not receiving enough water flow to operate correctly. Tankless systems only activate when a minimum amount of water passes through the heater, typically around half a gallon per minute. When the flow drops below this level, the heater shuts down and shows the P1 code to prevent improper heating. This issue often occurs due to clogged inlet filters, mineral buildup inside the heat exchanger, or restrictions in the plumbing system. Homes with hard water or sediment in the supply line may experience this problem more frequently because minerals and debris can slowly reduce water flow over time. Fortunately, many P1 errors can be resolved with a few simple checks and routine maintenance. Step 1. Make sure the main water supply is on and pressure is above 15 pounds per square inches. Step 2. Remove and clean the inlet water filter to clear any debris or sediment. Step 3. Check faucets and plumbing lines for restrictions that reduce water flow. Step 4. Flush the heater with a descaling solution or white vinegar to remove mineral buildup. Step 5. Inspect the flow sensor and wiring connections for proper operation. Step 6. Install a water filtration system or schedule regular maintenance to prevent future P1 errors.